Want to capture what's on your iPhone screen? Let's learn how to take a screenshot effortlessly. Hi, I'm Suyuk from Online Help Guide, and in this video, I will show you how to take a screenshot on your iPhone. So let's get started. First, open the display which you want to take a screenshot. Make sure everything you want in the screenshot is visible on your display. Now, quickly press and release the power button and the volume button at the same time. After taking the screenshot, a thumbnail will temporarily appear in the lower left corner of your screen. You can tap on the thumbnail to edit the screenshot right away. You can crop, draw, or add text to your screenshot as needed. When you are done editing, tap on the Done button located in the top left corner of your screen. Select the Save to Photos option to save your screenshot to your photo library. And this is how you can take a screenshot on iPhone. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.